Although dandruff can be very frustrating, there are several home remedies that can get rid of this pesky little problem and provide relief. We've rounded up 3 DIY treatments that are whipped up from the ingredients in your pantry. Black pepper is one of the most common spices found in your mother's spice rack. But did you know that its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help tackle dandruff? Take 4 tablespoons of ground black pepper and add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Mix the ingredients and keep it overnight before using it the next day. Apply the oil onto the scalp using a cotton swab and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. This can help balance some of the scalp's excessive oil production, helping get rid of the dandruff. One of the most common reasons for dandruff is an overgrowth of fungi that can plague your scalp. This DIY mask not only gets rid of the problem, but in turn conditions your hair too. Take fenugreek seeds, also known as methi, and soak them in water overnight. Drain out the excess water and blend the seeds to make a paste. Apply the paste in sections and massage it into your scalp. Keep the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off. The antifungal and antibacterial properties in fenugreek help fight dandruff. Not only that, the vitamins and nutrients present in fenugreek help with a dry scalp and also condition the hair, tackling all your scalp issues in one go. Known as the wonder plant, neem oil is famous for its medicinal properties. Pressed from the neem tree's fruit, using the oil can result in a healthier scalp and hair. All you need to do is take 2 tablespoons of neem oil, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 ball of camphor, and melt all the ingredients on low heat. Apply the oil on your scalp and keep it overnight before rinsing it off. Coconut oil is known to improve hydration, strengthen hair follicles, and eliminate fungal growth. By using this oil twice a week, you'll be bidding dandruff goodbye in no time. So the next time you start itching your scalp and spotting flakes on your shoulder, give these home remedies a try. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.